Science Soccer, greetings to you everyone. So this is my video. I want to teach us some consonant verbs with direct meaning in some sentence. Avọ Otofa Rai Gbe Iye-Eme. At this point, I want to concentrate mostly on the verbs that has direct meaning. I won't bother to go to their second or third meaning, maybe few. Please note that to become a student, a good student of Isoko language, you must know your spelling, the pronunciation, and the ability to write correctly. All right. So this point, I'm going to take just ba, bi, bo, bo, bu. That's what I'm going to teach us. Maybe my next video will continue from D, because remember, verbs are ba, bi, be, bi, bo, bo, bu. So their meaning, that's what I want to teach about now, which are the consonants, the consonant verbs with direct meaning in some easy sentences. Avọ Otofa Mariji wure vroediano Maruku Mariji Monedia Miruku Vonina Jerovre. So let's start. Ba means pull or undress. For instance, you want to tell a person, say, by Turanano, say, pull off the cap or pull off your cap. Betunano, pull off your cap. Bewunano, undress or pull off your dress. You understand? That's meaning of ba. Me bafio, I'm naked. Me baho, I'm naked. Oba he naked his wife. Be means shift. Another word of be, go. Go, it also means shift. Go, not English go. Go na English word. Na be Isoko, it means navre. Go. Navre. So this one is go. Go. It means shift. Then be also mean shift. Be to be, shift to that side. Tabi be to better, just shift to that side first. Bo means shout or scream. That person is screaming. Someone is there screaming. Owojorite na bipo. Owojojepo, someone was screaming. Or someone was shouting. Owojojepo. Ono bipo vetena. Who they shout for that place? How you ono be do vetena? Who they shout for that place? All right. Bo means build. Build. Be mamo wokome, build me a nice house. Build better house for me. Be mamo wokome. Bu means much or many. Like I wanna bo. People many. I wanna bu. People were so many. All right. This is where I'm going to end my teaching on this video. To be continued. Please stay tuned. Follow Oflefle Roomote in all my platforms. YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my Facebook page, TikTok, Instagram. The name remain Oflefle Roomote. You get it? Alright, thank you. Help me like, comment, and share. It might be a help to someone. Please let's try and promote our culture, our language. Make it not go lost. Wajumata ma kere ma wowo. Erumu maina ma wowo rewo maina haro. Kere osibevru. Isoko wado. Oge nogalo wai. Material. Esiefa. Isoko wado.